In a world where there is so much wealth, with modern cities and plentiful resources, how can we still have so much poverty?
How is it that in countries in which there's growing wealth, there are actually more poor people than there were before?
Many people will have to suffer. Many people will have to be forced into homelessness, landlessness. Some will have to die because we are following a particular economic model.
Sub-Saharan Africa is paying $25,000 every minute to northern creditors. I think people don't understand that it is actually the South that is financing the North.
Tenho 6 filhos e o que eu ganho aqui, se eu for comer tudo aqui, eu vou para casa sem nada.
Toute une série de politiques qui sont appliquées dans les pays du Sud endettés sont dictées à partir de Washington.
Now, what was particularly flawed about a lot of these theories was they did not lead to economic growth, and yet they pursued it. And my interpretation is because Wall Street wanted it.
Okay, I can say life in the slum is very hard. Okay, sometimes we do go without even eating supper now.
Mientras haya gente que no tenga agua para beber, su suerte, su estabilidad es frágil.
Less than 5% of the world's population live in the United States. We are consuming over 25% of the world's resources.
D'ores et déjà, on dépasse, en moyenne mondiale, on dépasse d'environ 30% la capacité de régénération de la biosphère.
This system is an absolute failure.
On oublie seulement une chose, c'est qu'une grande partie de l'argent qui est dans notre porte-monnaie vient précisément de l'exploitation, depuis des siècles, de l'Afrique. Pas uniquement, mais beaucoup viennent de l'exploitation de l'Afrique. Alors, il faut avoir un petit peu de bon sens, je ne dis pas de générosité, de bon sens, de justice, pour rendre aux Africains, je dirais, ce qu'on leur a pris, d'autant que c'est nécessaire si l'on veut éviter les pires convulsions ou difficultés avec les conséquences politiques que ça comporte dans le prochain avenir.